Hey guys, welcome to week 12. Congratulations on making it through. We're continuing this week talking about astronomy, talking about God's majesty and the solar system. We're doing constellations in week 12. This week you can talk a little bit about where constellations got their names. Many of the older constellations got their names through Greek mythology, Roman gods, and people made stories up about them. Later years, newer constellations that have been discovered were named after scientific names or after exotic animals. And so it's kind of interesting the stories people have made up over the years. As Christians, we know Psalm 19:1 tells us that that heaven declares the glory of God. And so we continue to believe that even with constellations. Every one of your bins will have this verse in it from Job 8 verses 9 and 10, which says, "He alone stretches out the heavens and treads on the waves of the sea. He is the maker of the Bear and the Orion and the Pleiades and the constellations of the south. He performs wonders that cannot be fathomed, miracles that cannot be counted." Point your kids back to the creator of it all. Point your kids to the wonder of the stars and the planets and the constellations that are groups of stars that are just make cool pictures, imaginary pictures, but they're cool. In your bins, you'll have your verse. You'll have at least 2 sheets of black paper per child, so they can make at least 2 constellations to take home. If you have extra, then you can make more. You'll also have at least 6 different designs or patterns that they can choose from which constellation they want to make. Every class will have a corkboard and a flashlight, and every child will have a little tab here. Found this was the easiest way to do it with different ages without kids getting hurt, and was more effective than poking pencils through paper and just tearing your paper. So you put the black paper down first. This one is Leo the lion. You put your pattern on top, and then they just poke through where the stars are. You just poke right through. Goes pretty easy. Hold it with your left hand while you're poking with the right, or if you're left-handed, do vice versa. And then you're done with your constellation. Once you're done, you could get 4 kids around one of these corkboards at a time, and then they can move on to actually try out their constellations. You're going to go to an area of the room that's darker, or you can go to the little rooms in between each of the classrooms, turn off the lights, have a mom in there with the flashlight, and the kids can actually try out their constellations. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Guys, we'll turn off the lights. You're going to hold the constellation up just an inch or 2 from the wall, and then hold the flashlight about 6 or 7 inches back, and you can see the constellation on the wall, the print that it makes, which is pretty fun. They can take these home with them and have some more, make some more at home. Okay, thanks.